arcade in the movie theater. Just got done watching our sketch movie. Luke's having a good time here. We always let him play an arcade game. This one is called Fast and Furious Drift. He's doing pretty good on it. Time for class. Look at that.
Here, take a picture of that. Those are the rules.
Here's
Rule number 5.
Let's see. Let's see. No horseplay. Don't eat ingredients. Be safe. This is also their cooking room. So look, they have a mirror so that you can see the desktop as they're cooking in there. Kind of cool.